Come on!
Welcome to Gaming with Life with Sweetybelle. Hello everyone, this is Sweetybelle here and welcome back to my channel for another video. So for today, I am going to continue on with a Western drama, no commentary and no mistakes. This is going to be the end of chapter 4, so here we go.
She ran away inside.
There must be dozens of them.
That scares you?
We've killed many more. The number of bastards in that house won't stop us going to hell.
Then we take them with us.
Sons of bitches! I want to have us here alive! It wasn't so different from a day at the brothel.
All right then. Come on. Let's go and greet Her Majesty.
The only
men who ever came into this room did it for my pleasure. A few came out alive.
It'll soon be you following two men out of here. Deal with it like your first time.
You can do it, little boy. There were others like you in the East. I never liked people like you. Not even women, to be honest.
Did you kill people there?
Maybe. I loved. I learned to shoot. I fucked. And I killed. Things that not everyone can do in the East. I preferred gleaming bullets to jewelry. Then I started my business.
You could have done like many others and shut yourself up in a brothel.
The little boy and the old man. Well, I've never seen a pair like you before.
Last chance, Queen.
Oh, but I told you. I love seeing bullets that reflect the light. I'll see your skulls shimmer. Wretches! Damn you, son of a bitch!
You've been heeding me, boy.
Bastards!
I did because I had to, Drake.
Asshole son of a
I know
bitch!
how valuable they are alive. I don't need to hear it from you.
Then you should have thought that way with Justitia. We'll tie her up so we can take her
Damn
away
you,
from
son
here.
of a bitch! But it's not over. You'll see.
Now, who the fuck are these three?
I told you it wasn't over. They're the blackjacks. Let's see if you can. They were no good, you know. They fired worse than me. But their tongues cut out. Now, they've learned to shoot, but they don't speak anymore.
We killed all your men, and we'll add them to the bill.
3 against 2. That's better.
Yeah, stay put, Your Majesty.
My blackjacks!
2 to 1 for me, Wade.
So, Queen's reign comes to an end. Long live the Queen. All right, let's take her to the Marshal.
Alright everyone, so that's gonna be it for this video. It's really short because now we're gonna go ahead and start on chapter 5. So yeah, and also before I end this video, I wanted to let you all know that no commentary just basically means that it's like movie mode. So basically I'm not talking during the gameplay, since I already did that in my previous series that I did on my channel on this game when it first came out and started playing it. So this just means movie mode. So it doesn't necessarily mean you as my subscribers and viewers to not comment on the video. So just wanted to assure that to all of you guys, so that way you won't get confused as to what I mean by no commentary. So yeah, but other than that, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.